Hey guys, hey mamas, hey YouTube, hey everyone, welcome again to my channel. It's your favorite Abuja mommy vlogger, Deka, diary of an Abuja mom. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a mom of 3, Jina, Ife and Ola. Ola is my 3-month-old and yeah, I'm a new mom. Yeah, I'm the number one I'm the number one dish kind mama of Abuja, of Nigeria, of the world, and I'm super excited that you're here. If you have not already, this is the best time to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button to get you notified. So whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And this is the best time to, you know, show me love, thumbs up, you know. And today I'm doing something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my body postpartum / for those of us that don't have, guys, yes, some of us don't actually have this, and we sometimes want to look like we have this, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how I style myself to look good, to look fly, for you to think that I don't have small, because I'm always to be like, Deka, you have. I'm like, really? Like, no, I don't. I actually just have small, and this one is even because I born. No, if I did fat go now, this one will go back. And so today I'm going to be bringing you guys 4 outfits. These outfits are like my favorite styles of all time. These are the kind of things I like to wear. If you follow me, if you watch me, if you see me in real life, these are the kind of things I like to wear. And when I wear, I feel like, you know, in my element, in my, you know, dish kindness, in my, you know, it's not that that's the only clothes I have. Oh. And if you like to see that, then keep watching. So guys, if you've been following me for a while, then you know that I'm not a very, in as much as I'm the dish kind mama, I'm not a very dish kind person. I'm the kind of person that, one, I don't wear heels because heels make me feel like a big fool. I'm sorry, I don't know, I feel like I'm already big enough. If I now wear heels, I now look like I'm big. Like, that's how I feel. And when I see women that are really tall, huge, wear heel, before, true, see, like real talk, I used to pity for them. I'll be like, is this woman very comfortable? Is this woman, how is she feeling? Like, I will pity for them. But I now realize that some people actually, this thing called fashion, it's about your mind. Now mind they use wear clothes, you understand? Because you that is feeling like you can wear this now, like what I'm wearing, some people will be looking at you like, how can she see her boobs everywhere? I just remembered, guys, before I hated, I'm not lying, like I used to legit pity people that had boobs, because I feel like when you're talking to a guy, the first thing he's looking at is your boobs. He's not concentrating on your face, he's not looking at what you're saying, he'll just be looking at your boobs. That's how I felt. So I used to be like, I don't want to ever have boobs, I just want the small one that I had. And you know, God bless me and bless you too. Fast forward to when I had my baby girl, Jina. That's when it started, guys. I was scared. I was like, no. I was scared, guys. I was so worried. But now I'm indifferent. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I'm like, no, it's too much. And now that I'm breastfeeding, it's like, it's all over the place. It's just in your face, like, you know. So it's, sometimes I like it, you know. Sometimes I'm like, nope. But we move. Let's get into this video without wasting much of your time. Enjoy. So guys, for me, wearing something that has these ruffles help to accentuate your hips. It just gives this illusion that something is going on there. And guys, let's not even lie, it's fly. Like, look at me now, it's really fly. So if you're trying to illusionize hips like me, then something like this is very cool. Love pockets. Pockets are a must-have for me with most of my clothes. I just love them because they have this shape, and this type of pockets, they have this way of just giving you hips. Can you see what the pocket is doing right here? And then I like to snatch my waist. That's another thing. So making sure my tailor snatches that waist area is very important. I know it can be uncomfortable, but guys, it's very, you know, very nice. And then another thing that I can never not stop wearing, I cannot stop wearing, is peplum tops. Peplum is a must-have for people like us because it just helps to, you know, make that place look dish kind, you know. It really helps. And FYI, note, please, when you're making your peplum tops, try to make it a bit long. Don't make it short. I see people that make their own, it's as if it's almost on their waist, their trouser line, or the belt line. I don't even understand. Another thing I love, guys, is play gowns. Oh, like, guys, like, can you see it just helps. It just has a way of, you know, making you look like something is going on there. Really, guys, I have a very nice shoulder, so yeah. Of course, guys, I love belts. Belts are a must-have for me. It somehow just makes my waist look a bit smaller than my body, and I love skirts like this that have ruffles on it and fur on it. I have a lot of skirts like this. I have at least 4 or 5 skirts like this. So if you're like me and you want it to show up, you know, make it to fake it till we make it, then things like this are so nice. And when you wear tops like this, you know, this is just off this stuff, you know. Make sure they pull the hand of the top to your fingers, and it just makes you look like all this ajebo, right? And then finally, guys, joggers are a must-have for me. Very important, guys. Like, joggers have a way of making you feel like you have this big thing behind you when there's nothing, and it also makes, of course, when you have a big bum, your hip somehow comes out. That's my opinion, anyways. I know, I can dance. I know. And when it comes to styling for me, I don't break the bank. I don't spend so much money. I'm not the kind of person that will say, oh, if I don't buy 1 million naira, if I don't buy 10,000 naira, if I don't buy 2,000 naira, I must die. No, I'm a thrifter. I'm the professional queen of bendan select, as in Madame bendan select, Madame bendan select. Bendan select, like, I'm the legit queen of bendan select, guys. I grew up in Port Harcourt, and then in Port Harcourt you go to where they call education under flyover. That was like the heaven of bendan select, and I was like the princessy queen of that. I always went there. My mom thrifted for us, so we grew up really. I think most of our clothes were thrifted. It was mostly the clothes that we mostly wore were like new ones, were mostly when you come first in your class, or Christmas clothes or Easter clothes. They were like the really new ones. The remaining ones were thrifted. My mom was the queen of thrifting. My mom taught me how to thrift. Like, my mom can legit go to market, sit down where, you know, bend down, select well, and you're wearing nice things, right? So I learned, right? And I'm the one that took after her when it comes to thrifting. I'm very good, guys. See, this top was actually thrifted. This was actually thrifted, and this one has lasted a long time. I've had these things for like over 3-4 years. This top you're seeing, and it was thrifted. Even though I know not everybody likes to thrift, not everybody can imagine wearing what someone else has worn. That's fine. No judging, no judgment. I can't even judge you, because there's sometimes that you see some kind of thrift, you be like, oh boy, it's just like even they thrift again. My fashion sense is mostly casual, simple, but fly. I'm the kind of person that I want to look nice. I want to be the like talk of the town. I want to like dress. People will be like, no, you they dress, you they try, you know. I'm that kind of person, and don't judge me. I'm not judging you. If you want to be, you're the kind of person that when you dress, everybody's like, it's fine. I'm not judging you either, but I took it from my dad. My dad can dress. My dad, they dress for man, like man levels. My popsy, they dress, and my popsy is tall, you know, huge, you know. So the guy, they dress, and I took it from him. And we just love fashion. We love clothes. Guys, I have clothes too. Hey, I have clothes that I don't wear. I have clothes that I buy and I hate. You don't have to go and buy clothes, finish. When you now come back home, you hate. 2021, I'm no more doing that. If I don't like anything, take away from this video. Don't force yourself to buy what you don't like. Sometimes you go to the boutique or thrift, and maybe the way they'll be saying it, or they'll make you feel uncomfortable, you'll not be like, let me just buy it. Sort of shame to catch me. I used to do that a lot, and I'll just hate it. I'll never wear it. If you go to my box of clothes, hipped, my wardrobe hipped, yet I don't wear up to. Like, if you tell me now go and dress up, I'll tell you I don't have what to wear, because I used to buy nonsense. Now, guys, 2021, I'm going to buy only what I want to wear, and I want you to also do that this year. From now on, don't please anybody. Now your money, finally, now your, you know, now your money. So And I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. It's something different. I know if you like this kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to show me love. Give me a big thumbs up. Your comments very important. And if you can, please share to your friends, family, everybody on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. And I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, salute.